In this video, we're diving into the 6 best hard gun cases available on the market today. Whether you're heading to the range, traveling, or just looking for a secure storage solution, having the right hard case can make all the difference. Each of these cases offers durability, protection, and features tailored to your needs. Stick around, because at the end, we'll reveal which of these 6 cases comes out on top based on its standout features and performance. So keep an eye out for the random number that will highlight the best product you won't want to miss. Let's get started. On number 6, MEIJIA Portable Rolling. For anyone serious about protecting their firearms, this waterproof case is a game changer. It's designed to offer full protection for your rifles and guns in various conditions. The standout feature, its customizable foam interior. You can easily adjust the foam to snugly fit your valued items, ensuring they stay secure and shielded from shocks and bumps during transport. Moving this case around is a breeze thanks to the portable soft grip handle. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry wherever you go, whether you're heading to the range or on a hunting trip. Plus, the clever latches make it simpler to open than traditional cases. Just a light pull and you're in. Now let's talk about mobility. The case features smooth-rolling polyurethane wheels, making it effortless to navigate across different terrains without making a sound. Whether you're rolling it across gravel or grass, this case glides with ease. With dimensions of 38.3 x 17.85 on the outside and a depth that provides ample space for your gear, this case has room for all your essentials while keeping them protected. It's the perfect blend of functionality and convenience, making it an excellent investment for any firearm enthusiast. You'll feel confident knowing your gear is safe and secure, no matter where your adventures take you. On number 5, Flambeau Outdoors 6500. Imagine your firearms safely stored in a case that's tough enough to withstand the rigors of travel and daily life. The Flambeau Outdoors gun case features a rugged hard plastic exterior designed to protect against hard impacts and wear and tear. Inside, the convoluted foam not only cushions your guns, but also absorbs shock from accidental drops. What sets this case apart is its innovative Zerust anti-corrosion technology. With a specialized tab that emits a protective vapor, this case forms a barrier against rust, offering up to 5 years of protection for your metal firearms. Safety is paramount, and this case delivers with 4 secure locking points, ensuring your weapons are safe during transport and storage. Plus, it's smartly designed for convenience. The interior boasts magazine storage dividers, also infused with Zerust technology, alongside Velcro straps that keep your guns and magazines securely in place. With generous interior dimensions of 40 inches long, 12 inches wide, and 4 inches deep, this case meets TSA and airline regulations, making it perfect for travel. With generous interior dimensions of 40 inches long, this case combines functionality with robust protection, making it a must-have for any firearm owner looking to keep their gear in top shape. On number 4, Eylar 53. Looking for a durable case to protect your gear? This case might just be the answer. With external dimensions of 53.3 x 6 and x 6.12, and internal dimensions of 50.5 x 13.5, it offers ample space for your equipment, weighing in at just 24.2 pounds. One standout feature is the IP67 waterproof rating, which means it can handle being fully submerged in up to 1 meter of water, perfect for those unpredictable outdoor adventures. The case comes equipped with 3 layers of foam, a Ragar reconfigurable foam pad, a solid foam layer, and a protective egg crat layer. What makes the Ragar foam truly special is its customizable nature. Pre-cut and ready to use, you can easily remove and rearrange the foam pieces without any tools. This allows you to create custom cavities tailored specifically for your gear, minimizing waste compared to traditional foam options. Plus, it meets TSA requirements and features 2 padlock-adaptable fittings for secure storage, whether at home or on the go. Imagine knowing your gear is safe and sound, whether you're hiking through rain or traveling by plane. With this case, your equipment gets the ultimate protection without the hassle. If you're serious about safeguarding your gear, this case is definitely worth considering. On number 3, HQ Issue Tactical. Looking for a reliable gun case? The HQ-ish gun case stands out with its heavy-duty molded plastic construction, designed to protect your firearm from dents and damage. This isn't just a case, it's peace of mind. With 2 padlock tabs, you have the option to secure your weapon safely, giving you control over when and where your firearm is accessible. Traveling? No problem. This tactical case is TSA approved, complete with wheels for effortless transport. You can now take your rifle on flights without the hassle of leaving it behind. Imagine gliding through the airport, your firearm securely stored and ready for your next adventure. What sets this case apart is the soft foam cushioning that can be customized to fit your rifle perfectly, ensuring it stays in pristine condition. Plus, with its O-ring seal, you're getting 100% waterproof protection. No need to worry about moisture ruining your investment. There's even a manual valve to balance the interior pressure while keeping the water out. With dimensions of 40 inches long, 13 inches wide, and 4.5 inches high on the inside, this case offers ample space while remaining compact enough for easy handling. The HQ-ISU gun case is truly a smart choice for anyone serious about firearm safety and protection. On number 2, Flambeau Outdoors Express. Let's dive right into the Flambeau Outdoors Express gun case, a solid choice for any gun owner looking for durability and security. The heavy-duty polymer construction ensures your weapon is well protected from everyday wear and tear, while the convoluted foam bedding provides an extra layer of cushioning to keep your firearms safe during transport. Designed specifically for secure long gun storage, this case comfortably fits one scoped rifle or shotgun. It features 4 snap-tight lock hasps, allowing you to store your gun securely, giving you peace of mind whether you're at home or on the go. Transporting this case is a breeze, thanks to its low-profile integrated handle that ensures a secure grip. Weighing in at just 4.4 pounds, it's lightweight enough to carry without breaking a sweat, making it perfect for those long hunting trips. For those considering specifications, the interior dimensions measure 46.125 inches long, 9.25 inches wide, and 3.5 inches deep, providing ample space for your firearm. Plus, it's proudly made in the US, reflecting quality craftsmanship. So if you're after a reliable, lightweight gun case that keeps your firearm secure while being easy to carry, the Flambeau Outdoors Express gun case might just be the perfect fit for you. Whether you're a seasoned hunter or just starting out, this case brings convenience and security to your outdoor adventures. Number 1. Condition 142. Looking for a reliable way to transport your rifle? Check out this 42-inch single-scoped rifle case, designed with both protection and convenience in mind. Measuring 42.3 inches long and 10.50 inches wide, it's spacious enough for most single-scoped rifles and shotguns, making it an ideal companion for trips to the range or outdoor adventures. Crafted from tough polypropylene copolymer, this water-resistant case keeps your firearm safe and dry in various conditions. The interior features soft, convoluted foam, providing an extra layer of protection against scrapes and scratches for your rifle and accessories. Security is a top priority, with 6 lock ports, allowing you to use a padlock for peace of mind. Plus, the case is equipped with 4 fastening latches to ensure it stays securely shut, protecting your valuable equipment. What's more, it's TSA-friendly, making it perfect for travel. Imagine heading to a shooting competition, knowing your firearm is safely secured and ready for action. This rifle case isn't just a storage solution, It's peace of mind for any gun owner. With its thoughtful design and robust features, this hardgun case combines practicality with safety, ensuring your rifle is always ready for the next adventure. Don't compromise on protection. Invest in a case that truly delivers. So guys, this was the video about the 6 best hard gun cases. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. Thank you.